Hi, and welcome back to my Wabi-Sabi story. In our last chapter, a journey of creation ended in failure. Today we learn from that failure. Together, we will explore why it happened, build this tool back together stronger than ever, and then we will finally create the gift. Join me on this renewed mission and watch the full video to find out the purpose of this gift. To understand the solution, we first have to understand the failure. Working with Buloke for the first time, I discovered its limits firsthand. Its incredible hardness wasn't the biggest issue. This is a small axe for carving, not for splitting logs. The real problem was hidden in its structure. Looking closely, you can see the wood fibers are very short and perpendicular to each other. This makes the wood brittle. It can't handle the sharp outward pressure of a wedge. So, when I drove it in to lock the head in place, it didn't bend the wood, it shattered it. With that lesson learned, I'm stepping back to a more traditional timber, white oak, a worldwide staple for tool handles, known for its long, flexible fibers that can absorb shock from various directions. It's the perfect solution to our problem. I'll shape it into a new design, one that follows the grain direction and feels more comfortable and personal to my hand. I initially failed to elevate this ordinary tool, but Wabi-Sabi teaches us to find the beauty in the failure itself. Having embraced that lesson, I can now create beauty from beauty. Now that the AXE is finally reborn, I have a confession to make. Many of you who watched the last video probably thought, why go through all this effort to gift an axe to your wife? Who does that? I mean, it's true. The axe was never the gift. It was always meant to be the tool I needed to create the real gift. And for that, I have this wonderful piece of Huon pine. It's a legendary Tasmanian timber, and creating a spoon from it is something my wife has asked me to make for a very long time. I initially wanted to immerse myself in nature for this last step, but the weather has been quite harsh in these days, and I had to scrap my plans, enjoying the comfort of the workshop. With the spoon almost finished, this journey of creation is nearly complete. It all started with an idea inspired by Paulo Coelho's The Alchemist, a book about a journey of spiritual discovery. I didn't know it at the time, but the unexpected failure I experienced, instead of being a total defeat, was the turn in the road I was truly looking for. It was a true experience of Wabi-Sabi. It has reinforced my belief that only from a place of beauty, whether that's the beauty found in the effort or in accepting a moment of struggle, we can then create something truly beautiful. The journey and everything that comes with it is what enriches this beauty. And for this spoon, the journey has just started. The circle is closed, and my wife loved it. And this spoon will now be used to create heartfelt meals for our family for the years to come. If this story resonated with you, please consider sharing it with a friend who might appreciate a new perspective on craft and beauty. And if you haven't already, consider joining my channel. Your support helps me grow and continue to create these stories. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me about a time you created a special gift for a loved one. Ciao e a presto!